Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Khare, and recently I came across one impact theory video which was driven by David Goggins, and he's a very bold personality, right? And he has gone through in his life very dedicated manner. He was very fat guy, and the people were surrounding to him was very laughing, and the day it was very crucial for him. So he has done a tremendous job to change himself, and taken a lot of steps in his life. So I was going through the video on the impact theory. He has discussed a lot of things, so I wanted to summarize some of the points which he has covered already. So according to him, my mind control everything, right? And the mind wants us, comfort zone and everything, right? And we should have, and mind is already having all the commands, and it is a governor, right? So it takes how we are thinking, and how everything comes in mind only. So if we are taking it very lightly, or we are taking it very feeling like in comfort zone, so we need to come out of those things, like if we want to get something in our life, or if we want to succeed in our life. So he has done a lot of things because he was a fat guy. Or so you have to love your pain, right? He has a lot of pains, like he was fat, he was see, the thing is, you have to take some massive actions to change yourself, right? So you have to set some goals, you have to take the massive actions about that, and then only you will be able to succeed in your life. So he was damn bold person, and he took his life very seriously, and he changed himself very effectively. So according to him, everyone will having the pain and circumstances. You have to you have to face some negativity. The people will tell you in front of you, like you are fat, or you are ugly, or you are something. You have to live your life in your terms, in your way. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have to face it, you have to achieve it. Then only, I mean, simply, if I come to his life learning, set some goals and take the massive action on it, um, and you will be succeed in your life. So at last, some of the points he has covered, which I would like to tell you, like, be the honest who you are. And see, responsibility of your life is in your hand. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, it will be becoming possible, right? But at the same time, you have to take the massive action to change. So lot of things will be happening, you have to listen. You have to listen some hurtful things, like negative things as well. In front of you, the people will say, like, you are this and that. So no need to worry about it. You have to live your life in your terms and in your way. So the masses which I this impacted me a lot, to share with you guys. So yeah, be the best. Live your life fullest, and really transformation happens, if we take some massive actions. So yeah, again I will come up with one new life learning with new videos which I come across. So till that, stay tuned, keep the most of it, and best wishes. Uh, Set some goals and achieve it. Best wishes. Hi.